So I wanted to share something a fellow E23 member showed me just yesterday. So David Senn, probably one of the most knowledgeable E23 guys, young guy that I know. I asked him about this onboard computer. So since I bought this car, the onboard computer never worked. I figured I needed a new one, so I was already in the market looking for a replacement. And I talked to David, and he said, well, why don't you check the fuse first? So I did. I checked all the fuses. And he said, no, there's one in a box that's behind the driver's side speaker. So behind the speaker, you probably can't see it because it's dark, but behind the driver's side speaker is a silver box. It's not the ECU, it's a different one. And I'll show you pictures of it after the video. You pull it out, and you pull the circuit board out, and there's a fuse on there, and you replace the fuse. So I replaced the fuse with these they're just really small fuses. Forgot what they're called, but they're really small. I had to get it at Lowe's. And there we go. So it works. Press the buttons: outside temperature, clock, timer, all the functions. And it saved me so much time and money, and I appreciate David. David Senn, I think he has a page, SENN. He's definitely on Facebook. If you have any questions, hit me up or find David. But I wanted to share this because I couldn't find anything on the internet about these OBCs. And this was a great piece of knowledge that saved me a lot of time, money, and effort. This is the first time this computer has worked since I've owned this car, and I'm excited. So thanks again. If you have any more questions, hit me up. Thanks.